So today is Tuesday, July 5th. It's almost 10 o'clock at night. We are in the house of torture. In the kitchen of doom. We have bought, listen to Nicholas, we have bought Pizza Hut wings. They're called what are they called? They're called
Volcano.
Burning Hot.
I thought it was volcano hot.
Okay. You pick one for me to eat. I pick one for you to eat.
That one.
That one's really wet.
That one.
Okay, burning hot.
Alright.
Dad's obviously gonna win. He's used to it.
Burning hot. You eat it. Feel it. You want to know how intense this is? Just look at his face. Look. Okay.
Dad, you're used to it. You don't have to make it so gonna hurt.
Okay, you look like a lizard, Chris. Just eat it already.
I'm not doing that. I'm eating it as fast as I can. Oh, just eat it already.
Then Nicholas, and then I'll go last.
Hey, I'm over here.
Starting to get more.
Just starting, huh?
Really good.
I want to see Nicholas do it first.
Okay. There's Nicholas eating his.
Slow her down before you choke. You're like that hot dog guy.
Oh, don't make him laugh while he's chewing this. Hey, he's doing awesome.
What?
You're drooling.
Because you've got a weird look on your face as you're eating it with big balls. Okay.
Mom, I'm laughing at your face.
Okay, keep going. Gonna see it empty.
The eyes are not watering. He's doing good.
Okay, look at me. Because the effects hit you later.
Oh, you are. You're red.
I choose. Alright.
Give him a little one.
Why are you stepping away? I'm not gonna beat on you. Oh, don't let the dog get that.
Okay.
What does that say when the dog can't have it, but the humans are eating it? It's gotta be not that
Oh,
great.
just some of my fingers.
Bite.
Oh, we put
Oh,
that
you
all
that
in.
on. You gotta lick your fingers too, eh?
Oh, come on, he's chewing it. That's.
It's not hot.
What are you crazy? It is hot, man.
Holy monkey hand.
My mouth is watering because I'm laughing.
You might want to get him a glass of
No
milk
way.
for after.
Just let him- you gotta eat it first.
Well,
Here, I'll go
yeah.
get the milk out.
Don't run away. Tina's taping this.
Oh, yeah, that's gotta be hard.
I'll go get the milk.
Oh.
No, we gotta know, Nicholas. We gotta have a picture of all of us together once he's done.
A picture? I'm not doing. How do you do a picture? I'm recording.
Alright, you see us here? Keep a good look on his face because he's not getting the heat yet.
Oh, he's getting the heat.
He's getting the heat. Okay, let's do another one. No! Come on, you said 8.
I didn't get pictures, by the way. I'm just recording.
We could do another one.
One's good.
Where are the cups?
Oh, right there, Riley.
Want to do
No.
that one? You want to know?
Nicholas likes
The
to
reason
play
why
on
I did good, I'm gonna tell the truth here. It's because I picked the driest one out of all of them.
Oh, well, there you go.
Now you can turn off the camera.
We'll go first.
Oh, that was nothing.
Yeah, why not? No.
Turn off the camera.
Oh, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Hold on, look on the camera.
I don't want him to burn.
I don't like that.
Yeah.
Would you
Oh,
like
it's
my
safe.
finger?
No, let him get his
I'm gonna
his
get my
milk.
Dr. Pepper.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Alright. Go stop recording.
Smile now. Do do it again.
Ah, it's so hot.